What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Wuber Reviews. Today we're going to take a quick look at the attackshark X3 and the new Kysona Aztec. We have the X3 on the left and we have the Aztec on the right. As you can see, the colors are kind of the same. The X3 looks a little more pinkish and the Aztec looks a little more reddish. Overall, the shape is pretty similar. I would say the X3 has a little bit higher hump compared to the Aztec. They both have the Pixar 3395 sensor. They have similar skates on the bottom. Here's a close-up look of the Aztec X3. You can see it has the 2.4 gigahertz, USB, and Bluetooth. And the same goes for the Aztec, 2.4 gigahertz, USB, Bluetooth. They're both made in China, obviously. I got both of these on AliExpress. The Aztec was about $30 and the X3 was about $22. One thing I noticed about the build quality is that the Aztec has quite a bit of pre-travel. Look at that. Look at that pre-travel on both the left click, especially on the right click. All of that and no click. I'm not a big fan of that. Compared to the X3, much less pre-travel, much firmer. I believe the X3 is using the Kale switches, and the Aztec is using the Huano purple shell white dots. And here's a quick sound test between the attackshark X3 versus the Kysona Aztec. Here's the Aztec. And here's the X3. Weight test. So first off, with the X3, it is showing up as 56 grams with the dongle inside, or 55 grams actually. And then for the Aztec, it's showing 58 grams with the dongle inside. All right, so that's going to be it for today. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.